this is your allowance, okay? For the work you've done. Kuya Aaron has a question to me, di ba, about receiving paycheck. Remember?
Yeah.
How much will you receive? Hirap talaga mag-ingay. How much will you receive if you work harder than the other one? That's your question, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you are on an daily basis, it's the same rate. But let's not look how others work. As we look at how we work by ourselves. If someone work lazy, will you work lazy, Kuya Tep? If someone works lazy, no. You will work hard. Even if you see someone works lazy. So that he can see you working and
He will be inspired.
he will be inspired and motivated. Let's not point fingers, okay? Let's not point fingers. Let's not name names.
Yeah.
But you all receive same rate. Okay? So for Kuya Aaron, your salary for this week is this one. For Isaac. For Kuya Stephen.
Inside.
For Tap Tap, your salary. Your salary.
You will sign beside your
You will sign
name.
beside your name. That's how much you receive. You sign
here.
beside your name, okay?
No, not yet.
Now, I talk to your mommy. When you get something here, your mommy will report it to us. Then we will deduct it on your salary. Okay? Is that a good deal? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Because before we deduct something from your salary, you should give authority from us to deduct. Okay, that's why we're asking permission from you. Okay. Now you said yes. Okay, then it's yes. If you buy candy, we will deduct it to your salary tab. Okay? If you buy C2, we will deduct it from your salary tab. Okay? Because you're earning money now. Is that okay?
Yep.
Understood? Thank you for your hard work for this week. See you again on Monday.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. You save your money. You keep your money. Why?
Okay.
Why? You have questions from your salary?
No.
No? Okay.
I don't know.